In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on battery section available here. Now all you need to do is tap on gray switcher next to performance mode to activate it. And wait! As you can see, high performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, click on the same no blue switcher until it's gray. Quick tip: if you don't remember if you enabled or disabled performance mode, you can check out your top bar here and see if this icon is enabled. If you see it, that means that high performance is on. If you can't, it's definitely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!